Well, hello friends. Today we're going to look at another package that showed up in the mail. This time it's from Namshubbed over on Reddit, and he has sent something from Amazon. So without further ado, I'm just going to open it here, and zhoof. Inside we have this Vengeance LPX. 64 gigs of DDR4 RAM. Thank you, Namshubbed, dude. This is really awesome. And the thing is that after last video, then more people have been sort of interested in sending things because they want to help me put together a new development machine from donated parts. And I already got the Zoomer RGB mouse and an SSD hard drive. Now I got 64 gigs of RAM. And there's a thread over on the Serenity OS subreddit where people are sort of coordinating donating parts. So thank you very much, Namshubbed, for being the first person from that thread to send something. That's really awesome, and it will be really cool if this can turn into a computer. Thank you. And this was just a short unboxing video because I thought it's really exciting to get things in the mail. Yeah, so if you send me something, I guess I'll open it. We'll see what it is. Don't send anything bad. See you next time. Bye.